Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
I
assalam.
want to say something about myself.
Okay.
I am Muhammad Zakir Hussain. I am 50 years old.
MashaAllah.
I am in Dhaka. Dhaka is a big capital city of Bangladesh. I live in Jatrabari at Kazlarpar. I have two sons,
Okay.
Muhammad Hamza and Hanjala. They are Quran Hafiz.
MashaAllah.
I
Alhamdulillah.
have three brothers and two sisters. My father is dead and my mother also living. My favorite food is biryani and my favorite color is white. My hobby is fluently English speaking.
Okay.
I learn speak English in
Mehedis.
Mehedis Care Center. Everybody loves me and help me. Thank you everybody.
Thank you everybody. Walaikum assalam. মাশাআল্লাহ। মাত্র 2 থেকে 3টা ক্লাস করেছে ভাইয়া, বাট তারপর সে শিখেছে, এটাই আল্লাহর কাছে শুকরিয়া। সে পরিশ্রম করতেছে, শিখতেছে, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। That's our motivation. Thank you very much everyone for watching our video.